What is going on, BHV? Today we are at Galaxy Golfing Games in Columbus, Ohio. Check out their mini golf course. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. We're on a mini golf road trip right now. Checking out mini golf courses all over the country, uploading videos every single day. So subscribe, click that bell, that way YouTube will let you know when I post my video tomorrow. Place your comments down below. Think I'm gonna win? Think Alicia's gonna win? They do it. That curve to the left. Maybe. Oh! Hole one, let's go. Nice. I'm gonna bring it around. Man, we got a real big U-turn on this one.
This goes.
Where's the hole? Oh, there it is. Man, this is gonna be a blind shot. That's pretty good. Coming around. All right, what we got? This could be difficult. I feel this one's gonna be frustrating. Wait, that's what you just get to stay. No, please don't, please stop. Okay. Oh no, just don't roll back down. All right. Nice. Wow. This looks like a really long shot. Is it? Wow, it is all the way down here.
Yep.
That's intense. You have to schwack this one. What are you thinking? You gonna go up, you can go down. Wow. Up, it's going down. Not bad. All right, since Alicia went down, I'm gonna try to go up it. Please make it. Barely made it. Not too bad for either of us.
Wow.
Nice shot. Whew, okay. Uh-oh. I'm gonna totally try to hit it out of that. That worked out much better for you.
I'm gonna hit mine in since you're gonna.
Yeah, mine might be a little chaotic. I'm committing to this at least one time. This, no, stop, please, stop, please stop.
You're lucky there's some of those rocks there.
I know, right? I would have probably kept going. Oh, gotta get back up there. Don't go too far. 4. It's curving. Okay. Whew, I didn't think I was going to win for a second.
barely.
But it got there. Will it do it? Oh. Oh.
I thought it looked like it was on a little bit of
It is a little bit slanted. It's getting it there. Oh, Jeff Brooks, why'd you do it? Oh, that shouldn't have been a 4. Oh my gosh.
I don't like this hole.
Where's the hole on this one? Behind the rock? Oh. In between. Okay.
I like how I wasn't aiming for it to go straight, and it goes straight. But sometimes when I aim for it to go straight, it doesn't
go straight. Oh, maybe it just rolled just right. Oh, it might. It might keep going. Oh. Man, that really curves to the left.
There's a lot of little lumps in this.
And this whole thing is apparently on a hill. No, don't do it. You know you don't want to do. Okay, definitely hit it a little bit harder.
There's a lot of little lumps and stuff that you can't really see. Just stop.
Your stopped way better. No. 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 Stop. In the name of love. Cause it's hammer time. Cause it's hammer time.
Bunny.
We got a bunny out here. What's up, Thumper? It's going there.
Stop. I'm just gonna go.
3. That's good. Just stay up there, please. No. Please. Okay. Stop. And a 5 for me. That was a surprisingly hard shot.
I struggled with that one back there. You struggled with this one.
We just switched.
Here comes the ducks.
Oh. Splash down.
Hello, guys.
Y'all keep doing it, Donald. So we got Donald over there, maybe Daisy. I got Thumper over there. I dig it. This is a really long shot. Also, I'm getting joined by the ducks over here. They're gonna be my spirit animals. Huey, Dewey, and Louie. No. Donald, no. Bad Donald. Okay.
That's not hard enough. This has got a lot of those little
Just divots
in the
in
back.
it.
And there it goes.
That's really weirdly slanted. Whew, okay. There's so many weird humps. Tell who's boss. You got Donald over there to help you out. Or Daisy, depending on perspective. I scared the duck away, my bad. Sorry, duck. Nice. There it is. We got a double hump. Is that the hole right there? Yep. Hole's in the middle.
Hole's at an angle.
Wow, it really is. I was trying just to get it up there and not roll down the back.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Maybe a little hard though, because I didn't think mine was gonna make it.
That's too hard. Just
Well, stop.
Oh.
Oh man.
There it goes.
No. No. Okay. The bounce back, good spot. Nice. Woo, okay.
I think the hole's on a hill.
It might, yeah, it looks like it is. That works. That'll do it. Nice. Alrighty. Hopefully I can hit that triangle. I should have specified where to hit the triangle.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, that might still work for you. It still kind of worked for you.
Just roll to the hole and in the hole.
Well, I appreciate it. You got me a little bit easier of a shot for 2. Please, oh no, no, maybe, please, no, okay. 4. All right, what do we got for hole 17? Huh. Okay. It's getting really dark. So I think you guys can actually see on the camera better than we can. So, got the 2 brick sets right here. At least the hole is down like in a divot. Well, it made it through.
That's honestly good enough.
I'll see if I can do it. Well, neither one of us are getting it down there. Here, I'll go ahead and get mine down there one more. Joe! That didn't work.
Just roll down the hill.
It might make it.
Go. Move. What is this for?
This will be 4. 4 for Alicia. Oh, I gotta get this. You know what? I'm gonna play smart because I'm already behind right now, I think. We're just gonna get it down there. So that was 3. That's 4. Stop, please, stop. 5. All right, last shot. We got 2 pipes and something back there. I don't know where I'm supposed to go, so I'm just gonna go for the middle one. All right, let's see, it should come out down there. Oh, that was actually really close. Oh.
Of course.
Well. Oh my gosh. See how hers comes out. Almost the exact same thing. 4 for Alicia. Oh my. Great way to go out, Brooks. Great way to go out. And a 3 for me. That was a pretty decent course. That wasn't bad. That was a good time. So if you're in the area,
challenge, but not too much of a challenge.
yeah, it was like a good, nice in between. And it was a fair price too, I'd say. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new around here and click the notification bell. We're on a mini golf road trip, uploading videos every day, checking out mini golf courses all over the country for this summer. So check out all the videos coming out by subscribing and clicking that notification bell. That way YouTube will let you know when I post tomorrow's video. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Take care. Have a good night. I'll see you all tomorrow in the next video. Later.